Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami hand. It's a really cool model and not too hard to make. Each finger has its own joints, so you can bend and pose the hand in different positions if you want, creating all sorts of results. Even though it's a simple version, the final look is awesome and it's really fun to fold. The only material you'll need is a square piece of paper. In this video I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. First of all, let's fold the paper in half, both vertically and horizontally. So, first bring the right side to the left, reinforce, and unfold. Now fold the bottom side up and unfold again. Next, flip the paper over and fold it in half diagonally both ways. So, first bring one corner to the opposite one, reinforce, unfold, and repeat the same with the other diagonal. Unfold this one too, flip the paper over again, and now close by pushing the four sides to the center, like this. Hold it in this position with two flaps on each side, and reinforce the creases. Now, we are going to bring all four flaps to the same side. And rotate the paper like this, so the closed side is on the left. Let's divide this triangle into 4 parts. Just to make it easier, I'm going to fold the first layer to the left like this, creating a vertical guideline. Now I'm going to bring the top corner down. Let's fold the bottom part to the middle. And then the top corner down to the same point. The paper is divided into 4 horizontal sections. Flip it over again and fold only the first 3 lower sections in half. Once you've done that, flip the paper back to the previous position. We have 4 flaps pointing to the right. I'll leave the paper in the same position because I want to make the right hand, but if you want to make the left hand, you have to turn the paper to the other side. To fold the thumb, we'll fold this closed corner on the left, aligning it with the first horizontal crease at the top. Once that's folded, we need to make all the creases in these layers go in the same direction. So just fold the paper like before, making a kind of zigzag. And this is more or less the result. Now close the paper a little using these creases. Next, we are going to separate the fingers. To do that, just separate them and press the paper like this. This is the result. You can adjust it a bit from the other side too. You can take your time and make it even better, but for this tutorial I'll leave it just like this. Each finger is a little bit long, so to make it more realistic, let's fold the corners inside, trying to make them look more or less like real fingers. After that, we're going to fold them to create each joint. And once you're finished, our origami hand is done. If you take your time and put a little more effort, you can get even better results, but that's the idea. If you enjoyed making this model, leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have a different idea or want something new, leave a comment below. I'll read them all. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.